This is our new author for the next few weeks. His name is Todd Parr. Todd Parr was born in 1962, so he is 58 years old right now. He was born in the United States like us, but in a state called Wyoming. Before he was an author, he was a flight attendant, which means he helped take care of people when they were flying in airplanes, like giving them snacks and blankets. Todd's books are mostly about kindness and getting to know and understand one another. We'll learn more about that as we start reading. Todd's illustrations are bold, simple, and bright. So let's start off with the Todd Parr book to learn more about him. Here is the first Todd Parr book. It's called The I Love You book by Todd Parr. Now this is a hardcover book. The front cover actually has a cutout, so I don't know what this looks like on paperback, but on hardcover it's got a hole there. Here is the back of the book, and here is the spine with the title there, The I Love You book. So let's get started. The I Love You book. I love you when you are silly. Peekaboo. I love you when you are sad. I love you when you are scared. I love you when you are brave. I love you when I am away. I love you when we are cuddled up close. I love you when you sleep. I love you when you don't sleep. I love you when we dance. Mama, Dada. I love you when we stroll. I love you when you are sick. I love you when you feel better. I love you when you give me kisses. I love you when you need hugs. I love you when you share. I love you when you are shy. I love you when you hide my keys. I love you when you find new friends. I love you when you are stinky. I love you when you are squeaky clean. I love you when we cook. I love you when we eat. I love you when you walk. I love you when we roll. Most of all, I love you just the way you are. We all need to be loved. There is enough love for everyone to share. Remember to always love yourself. Love, Todd. This book is special to me because I love reading it to my kids. I want them to understand the message behind the book. So, why do you think Todd Parr made this book? I don't know if you remembered what he said at the back of the book, but remember there's a special message right here. I think this is exactly why he made the book, because he wanted kids to know this. I'll read it again. It's important you hear this. We all need to be loved. There's enough love for everyone to share. Remember to always love yourself. Love, Todd. So I think he made this book because he really wanted you to know this. You are loved, and we all need love. Remember in the beginning of this video, I mentioned that Todd Parr wants to make books that talk about kindness and understanding each other. So I think this book definitely talks about those things. If I think about characters in this book, there's a lot of characters. None of these characters are really a main character though. Every page it's a different person, a different family or relationship. So I wouldn't say that there's a main character here. You could say maybe the main character is love. The setting is also kind of all over the place. It's in houses, kitchens, bedrooms, backyards. If you were to describe these illustrations, what would you say? I don't see collages. I just see very bold colors. I would say maybe he made them with marker, because markers do make a nice bright color like that. But I actually think it might have been done on a computer. I'll do more research and tell you what I figure out about how he makes his drawings or his illustrations. But they're very bold, very bright. I don't see any color mixing though. This is only one color blue. This is only one color purple. I don't see any colors mixing. He likes to stay in the lines, doesn't he? All right, everyone. Thank you for learning about Todd Parr with me, and I can't wait to learn about his next book with you next time. Bye!